So good afternoon guys, I'm here to make another video at Home Depot. We got some project going on at the home. So we want to buy some paint to paint the inside of the house. So I'm standing in the line. So you see the COVID-19 line up here. There's just a 6 feet gap between the customers. So I'm at the Home Depot right now. So good afternoon guys, I'm at the Home Depot to buy some paint here. As you can see, there's a big lineup again with all the people standing behind me, like 6 feet away. In fact, the parking lot is pretty crowded. See a lot of cars parked. I think people are doing some projects while they are at home. So I'm going to the paint section right now to select the paint for the interior. So I'm looking for rollers to paint So these are the stuff I bought. I bought a roller, bought a paintbrush and 3 rollers and a canvas drop cloth which is recyclable. You can reuse it. And I bought 2 cans of paint here. It's 2 gallons to paint the kitchen. So this is what I bought for the house.